Hi, and welcome to another how-to video for the Optimal Cloud. In this video, we're going to describe how to add and use a device for push notifications. Push notifications require the use of the Optimal Authenticator app, which is available in both the Apple Store and the Google Play Store. The Optimal Authenticator app leverages mobile device push technology to prompt the user to accept or reject OptimalCloud login attempts. Okay, let's get started. Once you have installed the Optimal Authenticator app on your phone or mobile device, you would log in to the Optimal Cloud. From the portal page, you would click on Account Settings. From here, you would click on Multi-Factor Token Device Options. This page lists the devices that you have registered with your account in the Optimal Cloud. I don't have any registered, so I will click Add Token Device. At this point, you're given a choice of devices that you can register. I'm going to select Push Notification and Time-Based One-Time Passwords. The Optimal Authenticator app not only does push notifications, but it also does time-based one-time passcodes. I'm going to click Next. On this page, you have to name your device. So I will say my phone. It's an Android device, and I'm going to call it my phone. Then I click Next. The Add Device page then displays a QR code. Open the Optimal Authenticator app, then click the red button in the lower right-hand part of the screen. Then click Scan QR Code. You can see that the account was added. It is now able to be used. Once the account has been added to the app, you can click Return to Device Token Management. This should now list the new device that you just added, and it should indicate that it's push enabled. It's also TOTP, or time-based one-time passcode, enabled as well. To test the device, you can click on Test MFA. We choose which type of MFA we want to test. In this case, we're going to test the push. So we click Verify. On your phone, you'll get a prompt asking you to verify the authentication. You click Approve Access. That's all there is to it. Once you have a push device registered with the Optimal Cloud, you'll be able to use it whenever multi-factor authentication is requested. You'll see it as an option. That's all we have for this slide series right now. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us and look for another how-to video for the Optimal Cloud.